Okay guys, good morning. Come and have a look in my backyard here. So outside there you can film is that's the Suzuki TS125. I had a nice ride with that one today. And I have my morning beer, my dear. It's 0, so I'm not getting drunk for this one. Okay, so we're just gonna. This is the old beauty, you know, 7 years plus old. This one since we took it out. Truck sidecar with umbrella is we took it out I think in February, 6.5 years ago. So if you turn around a little bit here, you guys, you can see our newest vehicle on the store. So if we start in the back, you see here it has a roofing. So this roofing is very flexible. You can take it all off, so it's just like a pickup, but then you're not protected from the rain or the sun. So this stuff here will protect the passengers or the goods from strong sunlight. Okay, so look at. I see on most of these passenger vehicles this canvas is easily broken. So I want to give you some thoughts about this vehicle because I have now driven it past 500 kilometers. So, and usually I drive with the guys here. Okay, so if you notice, you can also open the side windows. There, you see here, side windows. I will open one of them just for if you film here. Okay, film here, and so it's basically nice and comfy for the passengers with this airflow. If the rain comes, you take it down. Just handle this carefully, okay? So we have 12-inch wheels, 3 wheels, okay, 12-inch, and all of them are interchangeable. So if we go now and we start here in the back, okay, so you can see here, if you see here, the lamps are protected with some grill, and then you can take down this stuff here. Just pull up this and okay. And as you can see here, there is no covering, so maybe in the future probably we will have a welder or something make us some kind of door here. So you see the seats here, okay? You can lift them up, but maybe I can lift this up. Yeah, you can lift it up like that, hook it up, and you have much more space. But this is the passenger version, so you can seat easily 6 adults in the back, 3 on each side. If you wonder what is this, these are bags of sand. Because the main problem, especially for the passengers here on this one, is that it's very hard, the suspension. It has leaf springs, but this is made to carry a heavy load, okay? So if you put a couple of sandbags in the back here, it will be a bit softer, okay? Because there are ribs. I mean, if the road is bumpy, you can really feel it here inside this one. So look here, if you see here, down here, you can easy step in there. And if we film here, come here, Faith is the one. Check out down there and come here. If you come here, Faith, yeah, come here, Faith. You can see under here. No, if you stay where I stay, come here. You can see the leaf springs. Here are the leaf springs. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3 leaf springs, and these are the brake rods, one on each side, and you adjust the rear brake like this, like that. Okay, do not make this too long, but you see this cable here, this red stuff there. that is high and low gear. So when I bought this one, there was no high and low gear. But the painting was already chipped off. The rust will come after a couple of days. I tried to spray this stuff with some oil, but it's really gonna rust, I promise you. So here we have the level for low and high gear. Okay, and of course it's good if you are a drinker like myself, drink Coke or whatever alcohol-free beer. It's good to put it someplace. Okay, so you see here I have even a bottle holder, yeah, and it has a Kickstarter, this one, and of course electrical start. So Rusi is the brand, and what you need to be aware of is that it is a little bit hassle to enter this one. So if you're like see my handicap, it's not good to enter this one. Okay, so let's have a look here in the front. Come here. And then I got this one yesterday. Viking Rogaland YouTube Norway flag. Okay? You see here I installed a wiper, which is amazing. Then I also installed, you see here, this is extra mirror, and also there extra mirror. And if you come around here, Faith, you see here also I have a blind spot. This small mirror here is a blind spot mirror. Okay, and then we'll just gonna climb over here. It has a parking brake, but don't forget to turn off the parking brake. Okay, if you come here a little bit closer, you can see here I sit like really like a motorcycle, not a comfortable backpack. I installed this one. You see this mirror? That is not standard, and inside here is the wiper motor. Look down there, this is the wiper motor. So if we do like this, you see the wiper is working. Okay, good. So this vehicle has, here is emergency switch off the engine, and we have hazard lights. We have blinkers, okay, and we have a reverse. So if you come around on the other side, okay, down here, I will show you guys something interesting. So this is an ordinary motorcycle engine, 175 cc, but this one makes it very special because this is forward and this is reverse. Now the instruction manual says don't make it too hard, but of course, but if you don't put some force on it, it will not work. So listen now, the engine is not on, but the ignition is on. Okay, so listen what happened. Okay, and there's a light for reversing light in the back of the car. You don't need to go there. See? Now I will start it up while it's in reverse. Okay, so I apply the choke. And it should be, it says let it idle for 1 minute before you start. But look now, if I put it down in the first gear and then apply the clutch, release the clutch, look. Wow, you see it goes backwards, huh? Cool, huh? And then like this. Okay, we got it off, and then forward. Yeah. Please go in the front and film the lights, sweetie. I will start. So I have quite a good oversight here, and this window here, you see here's a window. You can open it up, which I usually do, but I don't want the rain to get inside. So you open this one so you can communicate easily with the passengers. And I have here, look here, if I put the ignition on, look what I have. You see here? Look. There is a light, and in the back is a light. So this is very good in the night time to have the setup. Okay guys, look here, come here, look. So here you have the speedometer, and if you put it in the first gear, wait, I will just, you see here, first gear, and then second gear, and so forth. So there's a gear indicator, and that's it. The reason why it's stopping is because it's cool. I didn't want to abuse it now. Look here, it's a nice place to put stuff also, like a hat, some sunglasses, stuff like that. The good thing in the Philippines is people are not prone to steal from vehicles. You can basically at least not in Mindanao, maybe because of Duterte, I don't know. So even the dogs are kinder here than in Thailand, for example. Because I heard rumors that Duterte said they killed the bad dogs in the street. If you look here, you try to film here a little bit, Faith. You see here, it's a little bit rust. Don't get too close, okay? Look here, this one. See, some rust is coming here, and look over here. See? Some rust is coming, so you really need to spray this one, which I do, and put some Vaseline and stuff around to protect it from basically from rusting apart. Okay guys, thank you so much. I just want to say, look, 500 kilometers. Sure, so 510 kilometers. Can you see that, guys? 510 kilometers. Look here, I'll take the photo. Yeah, look here. Okay, so it has been a joy to own this vehicle. Very difficult to explain. You have to try it out yourself. The top speed is I had it actually up to 78 kilometers an hour, but it's during break-in period, so of course you must be careful. That's it. I hope you got something from this video. Look here, is the mirror. Mirror on the wall. Who is the cutest Viking of them all? Right here. Okay, Faith, thank you for filming, and bye bye. Signing off from Digos City.